Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel All About Education Info. This video is based on the official key answers of SLC State Level Mathematics Preparatory Examination 2025. Guys, I provided key answers from the question 1 to 26 on my own. The remaining key answers will be displayed from the PDF which is provided by the person who actually prepared today's maths question paper. His name is Ganesh sir. I don't know much about him, but he provided the key answers in detail. So, on my opinion, better to display those key answers because I don't have much time to solve all the questions in detail. But the key answers provided by him are solved in detail. That's why I am displaying those key answers. So let us directly move into our today's video. Before going to the video, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon in order to receive further updates. Let me turn off my mic.